Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be our unboxing for January's Boxy base box. So try saying that like 5 times fast. BoxyCharm base box, BoxyCharm base box. It's a lot to say, but anyway, so this is the $25 box. This is the one, the lowest one on the totem pole that you can get for the dollar amount, but you do get 5 full-size products. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is just a monthly subscription box to where you get 5 full-size products. Like I said, they're anywhere between indie brands, well-known brands. It's kind of all over the place, but what's great about it is that you get to take a quiz, and there is some customization that is in it where you get to pick at least one item in this box out of the choices that they give you for the month. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing. I also do have a link down below if you guys want to check out BoxyCharm where I get points. You get points back towards just some really cool makeup. If that's something that you're interested in doing and you want to try out BoxyCharm, would appreciate it if you use my link down below. But again, let's just go ahead and get into this box and see what we got. But before we do that, you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wow, I almost forgot my outro. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get started. So BoxyCharm right here for you guys, $25 box, 5 full-size items. I don't remember what I picked for this box. I'm gonna be honest, sometimes I forget all the time about when it's like the actual scheduled time to pick the stuff that goes into your box. Sometimes I get the emails, sometimes I don't get the emails when it's like, choose now, it's open, you know, choose your item now. So I definitely was able to choose my items for next month, which is really cool, but I don't remember if I chose the stuff for this month or not, and I do apologize. I just got home from the gym, so I'm not really all glammed up right now. I tried to make myself, you know, presentable, but it is what it is. I'm just wearing my sports bra and just getting into this unboxing because I know I needed to pump out some videos today for you guys. I had everything written down, what I wanted to do. So I've already filmed one video. Go check out that video before this because that's the one that's probably going to go up first. That one's just kind of just talking about how much money I spent in 2020, which is kind of nuts. I know we all like to spend money, but 2020 was an odd year. So how much did I spend? I don't know. You're going to have to go watch that video. I'm not going to tell you. So go watch it after this one. I'll link it at the very end of this video in my like outro and the end screens or down below if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. Anyways, BoxyCharm, as I'm rambling on. The theme for this month is a fresh start, obviously, because it's the brand new year. It's 2021. So we've got 5 full-size items that are in here, and let's just go ahead and see what we've got. Again, I don't remember if I even got to choose one of these items. If BoxyCharm chose it for me, it is what it is. So the very first item I picked out of my hand is a lovely Dr. Brandt product. This is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This deeply hydrates peptides. Peptide powdered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, for refreshing, younger looking skin for all skin types. So this says it is $82 is how much it is worth, and this is what the packaging looks like. You're telling me this little thing, which is 0.5 ounces, is $82? Come on, Dr. Brandt. Like, are you serious about that? Are you for real? Because I'm pretty sure when, you know, BoxyCharm bought this in bulk, it's not worth $82. Now is the product. The product lives up to what it says it does. Then I can kind of see somewhere maybe in like the $45, $50 range, but I don't see the $82 value in that. Anyways, this is, I already have enough eye creams, so this is going to be one of the first items that goes into this month's giveaway. Then the next item in here, which is super exciting, I love Physicians Pharmacy, like, stuff that they have, and this is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. So I love toners. I've been really getting into them so much. I loved the First Aid Beauty toner pads that I got, and then I got some more toner exfoliating pads. in one of the other boxes. And then I also do have some few other toners. So I'm definitely loving toners so much. I use it every single night, a part of my skincare. I never did it before, but I can see how much it has changed my skin just by doing that one extra step in my skincare. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep this. Now, this does say it is alcohol free. It gently exfoliates, keeps pores clean, controls oils without stripping skin. Ideally for combination oil or acne prone skin. So I do have more or less combination skin. My skin can be sometimes extremely dry, sometimes it can be very oily, but I do get slight acne on my face. I think it's more or less, before it was more or less like dieting and I was eating badly, but also sometimes I would, I don't know, just have hormonal breakouts. So I'm excited at least just to try this. Now this is $28. $28 for this toner. I can see that. Like, this is a feasible price, but I can feel how heavy this product is and how big it is. This is also in a glass packaging compared to the Dr. Brandt thing, which was in plastic packaging. And this is like 2 times the size. And you're definitely gonna get more of a use out of this toner than I would get out of that eye cream. But yeah, $28 for this item. Then the next item we have, so I'm keeping that one. So the next item we have is Laura Geller High Definition Glow Illuminating Duo, which is in Heart of Gold. So this is what the packaging looks like. Now, we've seen Laura Geller. We've gotten a few of these items in the past, whether it was Ipsy or it was BoxyCharm. This is what it looks like. It looks like it is a powdered product. I have a lot of highlighters in my collection right now at the moment. This is worth $33, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway as well. Next we have, it looks like we have the Bali Balm Sweet Organic Coconut Lip Balm. Essential oil with sweet orange coconut that gives the lip balm its citrus tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone, protect against free radicals, and coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft and supple lips. So this is what the packaging looks like for us. Let's just go ahead and open it up and see how much product we actually get. Now it says this is a 15 milliliter product. Super cute packaging. I love that. I always love a good lip balm, so I'm never going to turn that down. Just kind of want to get just a little bit out and kind of feel the consistency. So yeah, oh yeah, that feels super good. Ooh, it has a nice like citrus orange smell to it as well. It's like a hint of like citrus, which is really cool. With the orange, I do smell a little bit more of like the coconut. It kind of reminds me of, I don't even know what to think about it, like a tanning lotion or maybe like a Malibu coconut type of, type of thing. But definitely I'm going to go ahead and keep that for sure. The price of that is $33. Excuse me? This lip balm is $33? I know I paid for the Laneige lip balm, and that's $15. First off, Laneige is pretty pricey. Also, I got that from Sephora. You're telling me this is worth $33? I don't believe this. Sometimes, comment down below if you guys like have the same feeling that I do, that I don't believe some of the prices that are in these boxes when they tell you what they are, especially if they're not a well-known brand. Like, it just makes me question the actual value of the box. They say you're supposed to get X amount of dollars out of your box. Like this one, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to get over $125 or $120 in this box. But obviously the MSRPs on here have me questioning what the actual value of this box is. And then the last item in here is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. So I believe last time I gave away the Ciate London eyeshadow palette. I kind of want to see what this one looks like. Now I'm surprised they're giving this the Velvet palette in January, because I feel like the Velvet palette seems more fittable, for February during like Valentine's Day. But this is what the package looks like. Now there is some eyeshadow on it, which is kind of sketchy, but the packaging is really nice. I'm hoping there's nothing broken on the inside. Hoping that there's nothing broken on the inside, if I can even get it open. So there is nothing broken on the inside, and this is extremely pretty. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep this. This yellow shade is like calling my name. That is so buttery soft. I cannot even. Okay, let's just go ahead and swatch that on our hand really quickly. All right, so that's what the shade looks like. And then on my hand, I mean, yeah, it's pretty pretty. It's not like super pigmented. It's kind of more of like an iridescent type of shade. I'm wondering about a few of these other ones on here. So, because you've got some shimmers, I don't see any mattes in here. At least they don't look like mattes. Or maybe okay, those are mattes. So you do have a few matte shades in here and a few shimmer shades. So like this matte brown shade, pretty decently pigmented. Okay. I might have to play around with this a little bit more. This purpley pink shade, all I know is that this formula feels super soft. Maybe it's just because of the wave texture that's in here, but you never know. So there is that purpley pinkish shade. It's almost like a, I can't even like, I don't even know what to call that kind of shade right now at the moment. Yeah. What about this pink shade at the top? Now there is a glitter shade in here that I'm not trying to mess with right now because I ain't trying to get glitter everywhere at the moment. But then this last shade, now there's no shade names. I will tell you that there are no shade names. But that seems like a really pretty like peachy color too. I really do like that. So I definitely want to play around with this more. Now again, like I said, the textures feel really buttery soft. I'm super interested in playing with this. Again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shades in here. This is kind of like a, I don't even know how to even describe like the theme of this palette. I mean, I guess I could see why it's like says velvet. But I don't know. Actually, I don't understand how it is the velvet palette is, because it like feels velvet, like feels like velvet when you like touch it because of the texture and the formula, or what? If someone knows the answer, let me know down below. But again, definitely a very interesting palette to play with, so I might use this in an upcoming video for sure. So there is that. So let's just go ahead and add up everything. Let me wipe my hands off really quickly before I grab my phone, because I just put a new phone case on it. And yes, let's pull that up really quickly. So for the price of this box, we have the $30 for the Ciate London palette, the $28 for the toner from Physician. You've got the $33 for the Laura Geller, the $82 for the Dr. Brandt, and the $33 for the lip balm. Comes out to be a total of $206 for us for the price value of this box. So we definitely supposedly got our price value. Now again, of this box, I'm keeping 3 items. And the 2 items that I'm giving away to put into the end of the month giveaway is going to be the Dr. Brandt item and the Laura Geller Duo Highlighter. So keep an eye out for upcoming Ipsy, my upcoming Boxy Charm Premium, and then going into February, you guys already know that you've already seen all those little sneak peeks. They have the Ipsy Glam X, which is coming out, which is basically like Boxy Luxe, because if you guys didn't know and you're living under living in a box, that the parent company that owns Ipsy bought Boxy Charm. So I can see now why Ipsy is trying to adapt to some of the awesome ways of a Boxy Charm, at least like when it comes to the like monthly subscription type of way. I really wish they would just get rid of that itty bitty like $12 bag, because I feel like not many people are very happy about it. And the whole $25 tier is just like the better way. And I know that's $10 more that people have to budget for, but you get 5 full-size products. Like me, when I used to get that little Ipsy like bag and I got all those little sample products, I'd be like, what the freak am I going to do with all these little samples? Like, I'm going to run through them so quickly. I might as, why can't I just get full size? But then again, you're paying pretty cheap for that. Anyways, so this is amazing. I love this so much. So again, 3 products I decided to keep, which was the toner and the Ciate eyeshadow palette, and then the lip balm. So that is it. So let me know your comments down below on what your thoughts were for this month's BoxyCharm base box. Again, I love you guys so much, but before we end this video, you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You know it helps me out a lot. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys, and love you. Bye.